have heard once that it's impossible to talk about Spain without thinking its gastronomy, and it's true. I have been giving English classes in this country for so many years, and one of its most dynamic topics in class is its gastronomy. And obviously, one of its famous dishes is the Tortilla de Patatas, an omelette with potatoes and onions, and sometimes with other ingredients.
So today, we are going to prepare Tortilla de Patatas. Tortilla de Patatas can be cooked in so many different ways, but what I am going to show you today is my own version. These are the needed ingredients: 6 eggs, 3 or 4 medium potatoes, 1 onion, olive oil, and salt. Let us prepare first the ingredients. Peel the potatoes and slice into pyramid-shaped pieces. Make sure to cut them evenly. Peel and dice the onion. By the way, onion is optional. So we have everything ready: potatoes, onion, eggs, oil, and salt. So let's start cooking then. Heat enough oil on a medium non-stick frying pan so it will not quite cover the potatoes when you add them. Take note that we have to poach the potatoes, not fry. Add the potatoes to the oil when it's hot. One tip to make sure that the oil is hot is by dropping a piece of potato. Then if it sizzles, that's the perfect time to add the potatoes. If you haven't sliced the onion yet, you can do it so while the potatoes are cooking. Once the potatoes are turning into nicely golden, add the onion into the pan. Leave them for 5 minutes, but you have to move them occasionally. Once the onion and potatoes are cooked through, bring them to strainer to separate the oil. While the cooked onion and potatoes are in the strainer, break the eggs into another bowl and whisk them for maybe 30 to 40 seconds. Then add 2 to 3 pinches of salt. Add the cold vegetables to the egg mixture, then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, drop a touch of oil into a non-stick pan on a medium heat. Pour the tortilla mixture into the pan, then shake the pan to make it even. Let it cook on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. Once it starts to firm up around the edges, take a plate which is larger than the pan. Cover the top of the pan with it, then flip. To cook the other side, slide the flipped tortilla back gently into the pan. Let it cook for another 3 minutes, more or less on a medium heat, then flip it back onto the plate. You can repeat the process until you are fully satisfied. For me, the best tortilla is a bit runny or gooey inside and firm outside. But if you don't like it the way I want, you have to simply let it cook for longer. Tortilla de patatas can be eaten warm or cold, and it serves with bread, salad, or more. It is good for tapas or for your meal at any time of the day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you like tortilla de patatas, and subscribe.